Hi, I'm Jeremy from Cellcom. Today I'm going to show you how to install batteries and remove batteries in Cellcom's IoT sensors. Today, on the normal types of sensors, there are consumer and industrial. On the AA version of these models, the battery life is expected to be up to 10 years. On the consumer sensor, there are 4 screws that are on the top of the sensor. Same thing on the industrial sensor, 4 screws. Included with your mounted sensors are 4 screws and AA batteries. Today you will need 1 Phillips screwdriver. On the industrial sensor, simply remove the screws counterclockwise to loosen all of them. Before removing the batteries, make sure the switch is set to the off position. Remove the top lid to expose the inside where the battery is located. Remove the battery and replace with a new battery. Put the top lid back on and then reinstall the screws. On the consumer sensor, 4 Phillips screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws. Once the screws are removed, pry up on the top lid of the sensor to expose the inside where the batteries are located. Remove the batteries and then install your new ones. Replace the top lid and then reinstall the screws. On the industrial sensor, click back to on to start the sensor back up. On the consumer sensor, nothing needs to be done. It will automatically be on the on position. Thank you for joining me today. Please see below to view additional videos on Cellcom's IoT sensors.